Jose, thanks very much for joining us. For those who don't know, just give us an update on Millennium BCP and also your views on the outlook for the market, particularly in Portugal and Iberia.
Well, we are the biggest private bank in Portugal. We are quoted in the stock market. We have a lot of liquidity in that market and also in the bank. And we have a big portion of the banking system business, either in companies, either in individuals. We have very strong shareholders. Fossum is the biggest private shareholder that we have now. And we are focused in universal retail banking with the people. So we have all the areas, investment banking, private banking. We have a bank as distance, digitalization, and we also have another bank that's called Active Bank. That is, I may say, from university to 40 years, where we experiment some innovations for the banking system.
And just looking at the outlook for the markets, what are you seeing?
The outlook for real estate in Portugal is not totally clear because we are still in pandemic. And when we get out, there could be one direction, two directions that has to be very well analyzed. But even so, I can confirm that the forecast for Portugal from different perspectives, from specialists, prospect very well for Portugal, because still with the liquidity in the market, still with the prices from real estate in Portugal, with the climate, if the frontiers will open again and the people travel to Portugal, all the main points that until 2019 and I may say part of 2020 push the market after these pandemics and the vaccines are here. So I believe the prospects are very good. Of course, not in all segments, or if you want to be an investor that the return comes very quickly, or if you want to be an opportunistic kind of investors, because as you know, tourism, short renting, so there are segments that could be a long return now, and also commercial centers, retail shops. But the market is changing. There's a lot of people looking for own houses, for private spaces with gardens, mainly around Lisbon, because if they will work more in the future at home and part in the office, they can buy cheaper than the center town and go to the office only for the culture, for the days they have to manage with the other people and the other parts. So they are looking for pieces of land to construct their houses. That was something that was not before the pandemic. Luxury houses or middle market houses, now there's a mixed, because previously the last years was for luxury houses and for foreign to buy. Now in Portugal, they are for own Portuguese middle class. A lot of investments have been made in plots of land for them, and also for young people. They are looking, some of the investors, for multifamilies, built to rent. So there's different opportunities than before. Before was a big rehabilitation from center town, a lot of looking for big spaces for offices. And now maybe it's one of the things that is not clear if the office is going to shrink the space or not. But they need more spaces to protect. They need more spaces to put some amenities for the people who work there. And that's what foreign investors are looking, that kind of office, but not really maybe in the center, maybe with good transport, good underground, good trains.
Always good to see you, Jose. Thanks very much for joining us.
Thank you.